Hi everyone, I'm here to show you my latest card I've been working on. I am using the amazing phrasing stamp set from our new SALE-a-Bration catalog, as well as one from the annual catalog that's been around for a while called Watercolor Shapes. So just as a quick recap, in case you're not familiar, Stampin' Up! Has a SALE-a-Bration promotion. It's July and August, and this little catalog is filled with things that you can get for free with your qualifying order during July and August of this year. So there's lots of different options, and for the next several weeks, I'm just going to come on and show you different things that are all focused on these products that you can get for free. So today is amazing phrasing. If you have this little catalog, it's on page 11. I'll put a link in the comments where you can look online as well. So this is the stamp set. It's 17 photopolymer stamps. There's different, you can see the bigger images here and then little words to go with them. And then there's some really cute samples that are provided right here. I really like this one. Right here in the little catalog. And I'm going to show you, I wanted to grab these real quick. These are some swap cards that I received from other demonstrators from a swap I participated in, but it shows you the amazing you did it, and then woohoo to you too, like a little congratulations card. You'll notice both of these have the words from the amazing phrasing, but they also show some other things. This designer paper is one of the free options during SALE-a-Bration, and this designer paper is one of the free options. So they both come in a package that you can get for free during SALE-a-Bration, so July and August. All right, so let me show you the card that I have for you today. I am starting with the Parakeet Party card base. This is one of our new in colors, Parakeet Party. And then the next layer I'm going to use is Tahitian Tide, another new in color. And I'm just going to put, let me get my adhesive going. There we go. I'm just going to put about an inch of adhesive in each corner and then in the middle. And this piece is going to be centered right on the card base. So the next layer is just basic white. And this is where I'm going to do my stamping. And so for the stamping, I am pulling in, again, Watercolor Shapes. This is a set that's been around for a little bit. It's in the annual catalog. So it's got, obviously, the ovals and squares, rectangles, circles, but it's also got a watercolor look to them because you can see it's not a solid image. That variation that you see on the sheet here, the insert for the stamp set, that's how it appears when you stamp it. So I'm going to use this small circle, and it's not going to show up as a solid circle. It's definitely going to be more of a watercolor type look. So this is Parakeet Party, that same in color. And I am just going to take my circle here and stamp some circles just kind of across the top of my cardstock. And I think that's good. So I'll close this one. Now I find a lot of times I don't know why. I think honestly I do. I think it's because when I do classes and things like that, I can't take my same stamp and switch colors because it's just not practical to do during a class when I've got people stamping here. But when I'm on my own stamping, I can clean my stamp, use the same stamp, and just switch the color. And I don't do that often enough because, like I said, it's just not as convenient for other people to do when you're stamping with a big group. But when I'm here by myself, I definitely can do that. So, as you can see, I am taking that same circle and I just switched my ink color. So I started with Parakeet Party, and now I'm going to Tahitian Tide. I'll do one more over there. Okay, it's going to be random. It's going to be different every time. So I've got Parakeet Party. I've got Tahitian Tide. I'm going to clean it one more time off camera here. and pull in another in color. This is Fresh Freesia. This was introduced a year ago. So it's also an in color, just not one of the brand new ones. But I love the way these three colors look together. Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, and Fresh Freesia. Fresh Freesia is one of my favorites. I find myself using it a lot. Let's see. Throw in there. I feel like I need more here. I think I need one other quarter too. All right. I think that's good. Okay. So I'm cleaning this one last time and close this ink pad. So like I said, it's such a simple thing to use the same stamp and just go across switching colors. It's just not something I do very often because I don't usually take the time to clean my stamp when I'm stamping with other people. So it's very simple, but I like the look. I'm just going to add my adhesive just like before, about 1 inch in each corner and some in the middle, and attach that right on the center here. Okay, so I did go ahead and stamp the You Are Amazing. And again, that's from Amazing Phrasing. This is one you get free with a $100 order during July or August. So 17-piece stamp set for free with your qualifying order. So on this, what I'm going to do is pull in, this is some of our new, what is it called? Metallic woven ribbon. And so this is our new in colors all come in this metallic woven ribbon, which is really pretty. So I'm just going to randomly cut that much. And then on the back here, on this side, I'm just going to put some adhesive and fold these over and stick it right down onto the adhesive. That's a little bit out further than I wanted it. Just reposition it, get things where I need them. Okay, let's see how that looks. Oh, they're a little long. Let me just cut. And I don't want them all to be the same length, so I'm going to cut a little randomly. But you can see they fray a little bit, which I guess might bother some people, but I really like the way they look. Then on the back of this, where'd my dimensionals go? Right here. I'm going to add Stampin' Dimensionals and then pop that right up on the card for the focal point. I did a sample just for myself as I was, sitting down and creating. And I did one thing different, and I'm going to pull in what I did and have you compare and tell me which one you like better. I think I know, but I want to hear what you guys think. So this one is what I just made, obviously. This is what I made as I was, in the design process. So everything on these, obviously the circles are a little bit different because that's going to be different every single time. But what's different, more obviously, is this piece here, the Tahitian Tide versus the layer of Fresh Freesia. So I'm curious to know, which do you like better? Tahitian Tide layer? Fresh Freesia layer? I think I like Tahitian Tide. I think it just kind of pops off the page a little more. But I'd love to hear what you think. Again, just a really, really simple card that uses that circle over and over, just with a few different colors. It really makes a big difference when you just switch up the colors a little bit. So that's what I've got for you today. Remember that there are a lot of SALE-a-Bration options for you to choose from during July and August. I'll put a link so you can go ahead and place your order and decide what you would like to get for free. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.